to the next episode. Barbecue with Greg.
Smell the smoke. The time is here for Barbecue with Greg. Your friendly mate who enjoys a barbie. Barbecue with Greg. Tips and tricks you'll never thought of. Fish or chicken or pig or cow or sheep or bronze, he just knows how. Beer or whiskey or cider or pop, and sometimes Jaeger shots, Jaeger shots. Barbecue with Greg. Grab a bev and join the party. Barbecue with Greg. Sit right down, it's time to start. It's Barbecue with Greg.
How not to crack eggs. Lesson 1 by Greg. All those maneuvers were necessary. Every single one of them important to the recipe. Okay, done. This is Jared's recipe, not mine. If you don't know who Jared is, go back to one of the episodes that has his name in it. We're doing chicken parmas. That's right. That's right. Chicken parmas. A lovely set of chicken babies. Step 7092. Crumb the chicken babies. Don't worry, you know we're double crumbing these bad boys. Maybe even triple. What do you reckon? Third crumb? Let's see how they settle. Crumb number 3. Ooh, this could be a disaster. I've gone off Jared's recipe. Whoa, getting heavy. When you're sitting in the Chevy and your pants feel heavy, diarrhea. Diarrhea. Oh. Okay. He's gone off book. Ladies and gentlemen, he has gone off book. Oh, could be a fail, Greg. Could be a fail. We'll see. Whew. Little raindrop was the cause of that kerfuffle. I shouldn't turn it yet, but I know it's already burning. So it is what it is. I just got this vision of that oil catching fire. It's still good, it's still good. About halfway done. So when I did this with Jared, they were pretty much all the way cooked in the fry pan. They're not. So I'm going to put them in here without the cheese and ham for a little while, but with the smoke. And I'm going to use I'm going to use my arm. No, I'm going to use some pecan. Pecan, my dog. Pecan, my dog. Yeah, she thinks I dropped something. Pecan, my dog. My dog. What? Why are you barking? Why? What are you barking for? I got the my dog's barking blues. So I'm using a combination of heat beads and lump charcoal. I'm going to start a pecan fire. When that all burns down to something like that black stuff, these bad boys will be on this side of the grill. Smoke will be bellowing out. And that's why you don't get the double smoked ham when you do it this way. Because you're going to get double smoked everything. Doubly smoked. You too good for your home? Let me sort you out, mate. Death to you. Settle down. Yeah, she's a kind of friend indeed. I got a woman way over time. She's good to me. Oh yeah. Yeah. Alright, so the other side is going to be where I put the ham and cheese. So I think 10 minutes for this side. That side's already had 5. And it's still not ready. So 10 minutes for the side, then 5 minutes for the other side for the cheese and that. That works. Mathematically. Doesn't it? Doesn't it? Oh no! Don't crumble off me. Don't crumble off. Non-smoked. He's done, he's good. have a couple of cheese and ham toasties for lunch during the week. By the way, this entire recipe cost me about 24 bucks. So, nice set of chicken birds, a little bit of Donny's good ham, which is going to double up as lunch as well. I didn't think about how I'm going to spread that around. Spatula. A big bag of the 4 melt cheese. I didn't go too off book with Jared's recipe. He reckons it's got to be the 4 melt. I said I was going to go 5 minutes, but I'm going to go 10 because there's nothing worse than cutting into a piece of chicken booby and it's not cooked.
Search Palace of Magnificent Experiences for all events and bookings. Home, proud PBS sponsor.
Nashville-based singer-songwriter and multi-instrumentalist Lily May and her family band returned to Australia to play footy in Honky Tonks and South Victoria. Lily May and her family band play April 15 to 17th at Boogie Festival, 20th at Brunswick Ballroom, 21st at Bridge Hotel Castlemaine, 23rd at Archie's Creek, and Hotel Westwood on the 24th. Love, please. Proud PBS sponsor.
Boobies.